global share markets have been relatively soft over the past 24 hours, particularly out of the US market. But this has come despite the fact that we've seen corporate earnings release some pretty good results overnight. But investors are feeling a little bit nervous about a potential terrorist retaliation from the news that Osama bin Laden has been killed. Of course, if we take our minds back to 2001, share markets took a big dive in response to the September 11 terrorist attacks. There is potential for some retaliation, and some of the wires are suggesting that we could see some in the future. This is making investors a little bit nervous, and this is a reason why we're seeing share markets down overnight. The fact that we've seen some weakness in global equity markets has also seen the New Zealand dollar dip a little bit lower over the past 24 hours. However, we're still trading well over 80 cents against the US dollar on Wednesday morning. The fact that the Australian dollar has been a little bit weaker over the past couple of days has also put some pressure on our Kiwi dollar. The Reserve Bank of Australia announced yesterday, on Tuesday, that they have left their cash rate unchanged, and this makes 5 meetings in a row now. The fact that their economy has started to slow down just slightly from the very strong levels of growth they have been seeing recently is a good indication of what is happening around the world at the moment. We're still picking the Kiwi dollar to strengthen further from current levels later on this year. The latest global dairy trade auction was held on Tuesday night on the international market, and it did see a very minor dip on a trade-weighted basis across all the products. Whole milk powder, the biggest product that is sold on this particular auction platform, did decrease slightly, but I'm not too concerned about any decreases that we've seen in this past auction. The auction results suggest that commodity prices are looking relatively flat at the moment. The fact that we are expecting to see the Kiwi dollar rise even further is not likely to have a major impact on dairy payout next year. We're also picking that strong demand out of China is going to mean that we could see commodity prices increase in reflection of the fact that the US dollar is the main reason why we're seeing the weakness at the moment. We're still picking that the Fonterra payout for next season will be over $7 per kilogram of milk solids.